best chairs. Look for materials that feel cozy but are easy to clean. Consider colors that blend with your room's decor. Some chairs offer added features like built-in lighting or pockets for storing books. Choosing wisely can transform your reading corner into a cherished retreat. Whether you love mysteries or romance, the right chair makes every page more inviting. List none. Well Now Lazy Chair with Ottoman. Transform your small space with the stylish Well Now Lazy Chair. Its dark gray shade complements any decor. The chair features comfortable armrests and a convenient side pocket for storage. Relax with the matching ottoman that offers a perfect footrest. Ideal for reading or unwinding after a long day. Enjoy leisure and comfort in this modern lounge accent chair. Advantages: cozy comfort for relaxation. The Well Now Lazy Chair provides a snug and inviting space to unwind after a long day. Its plush armrests and footrest offer the perfect support for leisurely moments. Space-saving design is ideal for small spaces. This chair with ottoman fits seamlessly into any room. Compact yet stylish, it maximizes comfort without overwhelming your space. Stylish and modern look. The dark gray color adds a touch of elegance to your home decor. A chic addition that complements various styles, enhancing your living area. Convenient side pocket. Keep essentials within reach with the built-in side pocket. Store your favorite books, magazines, or remote controls for easy access while relaxing. List number: Max Yo-Yo Accent Chair with Ottoman Adjustable Backrest. Experience ultimate comfort with the Max Yo-Yo Accent Chair and Ottoman set. This modern chair features a cozy, tufted design. Adjustable backrest and footrest provide relaxation for reading or lounging. Its dark gray upholstery adds elegance to any living space. Perfect for creating a stylish, comfortable reading nook in your home. Advantages: enjoy ultimate comfort with the adjustable backrest design. Relax easily. The ottoman provides a perfect footrest, enhancing relaxation. Tufted upholstery adds an elegant touch to any room. Modern style fits beautifully in diverse interior designs. Ideal for reading, offering a cozy spot for book lovers. List number: Conger Mom Lazy Chair with Folding Ottoman Modder. Discover comfort with the Conger Mom Lazy Chair, perfect for bedrooms, dorms, and offices. This chair's modern design adds a stylish touch to any space. Enjoy relaxing moments with its cozy armrests and soft upholstery. The folding ottoman offers extra convenience and easy storage, ideal for reading, lounging, or simply unwinding after a long day. Available in a versatile beige color to match any decor. Advantages: enjoy ultimate comfort with the chair's plush upholstery. Sink in. Versatile design fits perfectly in bedrooms, dorms, and offices. Adaptable. The folding ottoman offers convenient storage and extra seating. Handy. Modern style enhances any room's decor effortlessly. Stylish choice. Armrests provide additional support for relaxed reading or lounging. List number: Max Yo-Yo Giant Beanbag Chair. Oversized beanbag couch for adults and kids. Transform any space with the Max Yo-Yo Giant Beanbag Chair. Its oversized design offers comfort for both adults and kids. The faux fur shell-shaped exterior adds a touch of elegance. Perfect for gaming, reading, or lounging on the floor. Soft beige color complements any room decor beautifully. Fill your room with coziness and style. Advantages: comfort meets style with the Max Yo-Yo Giant Beanbag Chair. This oversized chair offers plush seating for both adults and kids. Sink into its faux fur shell for a cozy experience. Perfect for gaming, reading, or simply relaxing. Beige color complements any room decor beautifully. Ideal for shared spaces or solo moments. Its large size accommodates multiple users comfortably. Enjoy ample space without feeling cramped. Experience the joy of lounging with friends. Creates a casual, inviting atmosphere. Versatility defines this beanbag couch. Suitable for various activities and settings. Great for living rooms, bedrooms, or game rooms. Easy to move and adapt as needed. A flexible seating solution for every home. List number: HOMCOM Big Beanbag Lounger Chairs, Large Beanbag Experience. Comfort with the HOMCOM Big Beanbag Lounger. Perfect for adults seeking relaxation in any room. The memory foam filling provides unmatched support and coziness. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or balconies. Its sleek gray design complements any decor. Transform your space into a haven of comfort and style. Advantages: discover ultimate relaxation with this oversized beanbag lounger. Memory foam filling provides exceptional comfort, perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or balconies. Designed with adults in mind. Versatile seating options enhance any space. Lounge, read, or nap comfortably. Great for casual gatherings or quiet moments. Fits seamlessly into various decor styles. Craftsmanship ensures durability and longevity. High-quality materials resist wear. Ideal for daily use. Easy to maintain and clean. Generous size offers ample space. Stretch out and unwind. Perfect for tall individuals. Supports various sitting positions. Neutral gray color complements any room. Matches diverse color schemes. Adds a modern touch. Simple yet stylish design.